In COVID-19, all people heard about coronavirus. We are here to make you feel relaxed and tell you how to deal with this disease. Especially this disease will stay more than we thought. This virus is like heavy guest. In this video, we will tell you about WHO recommendations and how you do it in your life to protect yourself and your family. For a start, please don't forget like and subscribe our video. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome ladies and gentlemen in Hayat channel. Our goal is give you medical information by easy and simplest way. Corona symptoms. We will not talk about it. We all know about symptoms from media, so I will just say symptoms are cough, fever, maybe high or low, anorexia, bone pain, maybe severe bone pain, loss of smelling and tasting food, and difficult of breathing. Just one symptoms or more are enough to consider yourself infected person with coronavirus until you make swab and CT test, and we will talk about investigation later. More than 80% of infected people have mild symptoms, and just enough they isolated themselves at home and completely rest with drink enough amount of fluids and take analgesic and antibiotic if needed. There was much famous people infected by coronavirus and they completely recover in quarantine. So we don't need to feel panic or fear when we feel some symptoms. So the conclusion is treatment of 18% of corona patients, just quarantine with wearing your mask obligatory and drink much fluid and take analgesic like Panadol and call your doctor if necessary. Patient can follow himself by detect his temperature and level of oxygen saturation in blood by oximeter. According to breastfeeding women, if age of baby is enough to stop breastfeeding, she can stop and give baby milk to her baby. Or she can continue with breastfeeding and wearing mask and put her face in opposite side to her baby. For old people and patients have comorbidities disease like hypertension and diabetes, they should control this disease and take medications regular and continue follow up at home, because any disturbance will be affected the immune system, and such diseases are so easy to control them, and if you control them you will feel like completely normal person. The conclusion is we should control chronic disease and any comorbidity. You will ask me, how much should I stay at home? I feel better and good. My answer is congratulations, but you should follow one of these ways to be sure you are not infected person. Make swab and result is negative, or 7 to 10 days you are completely normal since symptoms disappear and you can back to work. And continue in your life like normal person with wearing a mask and take other protective measures, as social distance between you and any person, cleaning your hands continuously, and of course stay in open place and work from home is still the best solution if you can. Protective measures from corona is so important and we must be aware about it, because the virus is spreading everywhere and in many places, and maybe it's just wild to be infected by virus. So we should be careful about this. Building good immunity by eating healthy food and drinking much fluid. Water is basics of our body, so fluid is so important, especially at summer, and dryness is very dangerous. Sleeping well. We should get enough hours from sleeping. Tired and stressed people are so risky, So this decreases immunity and lead to many diseases. Exercise. We will not talking much about exercise. Just 10 to 30 minutes per day is enough by simple exercise or running at early morning in empty natural places. This disease made many great countries suffered much, even ask help from other countries. So don't get angry or feel depression if you stay at home for long period or cancel your travel in summer. We must keep ourselves relaxed and keep away from depression because that will make you lots of fun and this will destroy you and kill you slowly. So try to enjoy your life. Finally, all people know about keep distance between each other and the importance of using mask and disinfectant solution and wash your hand and your face always. Of course, I don't need to say if you feel severe symptoms what you will do because you should go to hospital and see doctor to give you proper treatment. The most difficult period for infected person is first week, usually. And if any person in ICU, it is not hopeless. In fact, the cure percentage is 4 to 1. I hope you enjoyed and get some new knowledge about how to deal with COVID-19 virus. So don't forget like and subscribe our channel to get more in future. Any question, write it in comment and we will answer you. Best wishes for all. See you.